Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI, and because of going dairy-free 5 years ago, I'm always looking for non-dairy products that taste fresh, but still don't give me anything that's going to make me feel sick later. These sauces from ZUBI'S that I found are absolutely delicious, and our whole family, dairy-free and not dairy-free, is totally hooked. The salsa is a nice thin consistency, and you can see it has the fresh flavors in it, nice peppers, but none of the sauces are so hot that it's unbearable and it's trying to hide like some flavor that might be missing. They just all taste really, really good. I love the queso. It reminds me of the nasty cheese that I used to eat when I was younger, but this is like the all healthy version that you can just enjoy with some tortilla chips or on your tacos or wherever you put it. And I love the crema. This one was unexpected for me. I probably would not have picked it, but I'm glad it came in the sampler pack because I actually prefer this one even more than the queso. It's made from quinoa, and it also has the peppers in it that they have on site that in their facility, but it also just has that nice, really yummy, creamy flavor. So super in love with these sauces from ZUBI'S. I would highly recommend checking the company out. Everything is grown on site, which I just think is so awesome. And the flavors are phenomenal. Definitely exactly what I was looking for, and I will be buying more. That's my point of view.